Natalia Kaizink. I'm going to show you a quick improvement in order to reduce motion and possibly transportation as well. So how we had our bag and tag labels were stored in this container, and whenever we would work on a order, we would just come here and kind of like skim through and see how many stickers we had, and if it was running kind of low, we would go and print them out. And since it is a limited like space, we wouldn't be able to print like as much, and then just coming back and forth trying to check how many we would have for the next orders or orders we would be working at. So now we are gonna be testing this kind of layout where we have a rule of the sizes, and this allows us to see if we're running low on stickers, if we see we're gonna have like a bigger job that we're gonna need more stickers to use in that order, and also we're just gonna start having them there when we're doing our bag and tags, and then if we're gonna start testing them out with this clips or with these type of clips for right now to kind of just keep it neat and they're not in our way once we are not working on bag and tag. So yeah, thank you.